Good morning, and this is the Option Pit AM Volatility Report. I am Mark Sebastian. Good to see all of you, and it's good to be here. So, I want everybody to pay attention to the events column. You should start seeing some different events pop in. One in particular, you're not quite able to register yet, but if you go to Condor Trading, you'll notice that there is a webinar coming up. Obviously, the date is wrong, so not fully ready, but we're going to have a Condor webinar. It's going to be on Wednesday the 12th, so a week from today. So start getting ready. You should be able to register tomorrow. So let's talk about what's going on. Well, ADP came up a little light. ADP came in a little light, little unsurprised, and just every data point and all the deflation that's out there really does point toward a prudent Fed waiting. I mean, if you look at gold, all right, gold was traditionally, for a long time, considered the number one way to tell whether we're in an inflationary period or deflationary period. And if you look at a chart of gold, I mean, it points toward deflation. And some, disinflation is fine to some degree, but we're starting to look dangerously deflationary. And that is a problem. And that is part of the reason why I continue to think the Federal Reserve is not going to raise rates and why they should wait. Now, looking around, you can see the VIX on that ADP report is getting smashed. And the S&P is through its recent highs. I think based on what economic data looks like for the rest of the day, we've got ISM services, we've got other stuff like that. We could absolutely see a new all-time high. I think we are setting up for something like that. Vol's low. This could be a 25-point update, and we could see the lowest VIX of the year for a close. It's absolutely possible. Now, if things get too far ahead of themselves, we might take a break tomorrow, but oil looks like it's stabilized. Some of the XLE names, ExxonMobil's, the CVXs, are looking like interesting scoops. That is going to be some things that we discussed today during the pit report, and that is going to be some other pieces along those lines. Another thing to point out, Apple getting crushed over the last couple days seems to have found at least a little opening bid. I don't think even Apple could pull down the market today based on how it's performing. And Facebook is up big today. It's up a couple of dollars. So the other social media stocks are doing really well. Amazon, Facebook, you name it. If you are a student of mine and you're following our kind of group directional trade that I did on Monday, I may just take a quick profit. I mean, it's already up nicely today. We shall see. I'm up about 10% in 2 days, so I may just take the dollars, but who knows? And kind of for the day, like I said, I think we could rally. We could potentially rally all day and see futures soften for most VIX futures soften for most of the day. All right, so if you got questions, give me a call, 888-TRADE-01, or email me, mark@optionpit.com. And again, stay tuned for that Condor trading webinar. It should be up later today. Hope everybody has a great day. I will talk to you soon.